Do you need help with self-love, or do you want to bring more love and compassion into your life? Are you feeling overwhelmed or out of balance and looking to find a little bit more inner peace? Rhodochrosite is a powerful healing stone that can help you with all of these things. It is a remarkable stone that fosters self-awareness, boosts confidence, and raises self-esteem, heals emotional wounds, and even opens your heart to new possibilities. This powerful crystal resonates with the heart chakra and brings calming energy of happiness and self-acceptance. Meditating with rhodochrosite stone is one of the most powerful tools available to help open and heal the heart. Placing it directly over your heart while meditating can bring all emotional traumas to the surface so they can be dealt with in a more meaningful way. Instead of allowing grief and trauma to linger and create stagnation, it helps you release this from a healthy and loving point of view. For those seeking peace, love, and acceptance, rhodochrosite can provide a consistent reminder that you are supported by the divine. When we tap into this crystal, it offers a more regular meditative sessions, and we can create an environment where healing can happen on all levels: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual alike. Wearing rhodochrosite jewelry over your heart can help open up the heart chakra, allowing one to embrace love, bring clarity to the emotions, and encourage self-love. Rhodochrosite is known as an emotional balancer, so it can uplift the energy if you're feeling negative or any sadness, and also symbolizes compassion for oneself, which can lead to the acceptance of life with joy. Wearing rhodochrosite jewelry will also enable you to feel a higher vibration of energy and encourages love and positivity into your life. Carry rhodochrosite tumbled stones with you throughout the day when you want to bring abundance of love and joy into your life. Not only does rhodochrosite open us up for profound new beginnings and helps us to learn to nurture ourselves and others, but it also has a various healing frequencies that support the body's natural capacity for relaxation and rejuvenation. And therefore, as we carry these tumble stones with us throughout the day, it helps us to fortify levels of unconditional love and create a loving atmosphere that allows all types of positive energy and positive change to happen within our lives. Placing rhodochrosite crystals in your personal space can help you create an environment filled with soothing energy. Rhodochrosite is believed to balance emotions and reduce stress, allowing you to create a calming sanctuary that increases creativity and productivity. Additionally, rhodochrosite has been associated with the healing of the heart and promoting compassion, unconditional love, self-acceptance, and self-forgiveness. To cleanse your rhodochrosite, we suggest using selenite, full moon energy, or smoke cleansing. Alternatively, you can also use a preferred method of soil from the earth or sound cleansing.